Hey, this is Danielle over at 𝐷IYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these easy bookmarks using Smart Sticker Cardstock from Cricut. So you're going to start out with the following supplies. I used my Cricut Maker 3 with its normal blade in it, Smart Sticker Cardstock in any colors you want for the top layers, medium or heavy cardstock for the base, a Cricut pen in black, embroidery thread or yarn, and glue. You're going to go ahead and start by cutting all of your design. I can link that on my blog post and in the description. This is the Smart Sticker Cardstock in orange, so we're printing all the animals on that. For the Slithering Back to School, that is written on in pen and then the exterior is cut out. That was on Smart Sticker Cardstock as well. As you can see, I have some of my pieces that are Smart Sticker Cardstock and some that are cardstock because I didn't have enough of the colors I needed in the Smart Sticker stuff. So I used glue to attach those pieces. So you're working from the bottom layer up. So I did blue, tan, and then I did the green Slithering Back to School on sticker cardstock. After that, I peeled the little snake sticker off the orange and placed it on my bookmark. And that is all there is to it. It's super easy. When you're finished, you can go ahead and add some yarn or embroidery thread. You can add as many pieces as you want, depending on what you want it to look like. You loop it just like this, put it through the hole, and then pull the ends through that loop. And that's it. We had all of these for our favors for our birthday party. We had a reptile invasion out to let the kids hold and learn about snakes and other types of reptiles for the party, and it was super awesome. The kids loved it. So make sure to check out my other post about this project and check out my blog, 𝐷IYDanielle.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.